Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're diving into one of the biggest secrets behind sustainable success: how to keep your buyers coming back, not just once, but over and over again. Most businesses pour all their energy into getting new customers, but completely miss the gold mine they already have. Your past buyers are the warmest leads you'll ever have. They've already trusted you once. They've already exchanged money for your value. That relationship is the foundation for everything that comes next, if you nurture it right. The key to keeping buyers coming back is consistently adding value beyond the original sale. After someone buys from you, your work doesn't stop. It begins. You should be showing them that their investment wasn't the end of your care. It was the beginning of a relationship. Whether it's a thoughtful follow-up email, bonus resources they didn't expect, or just checking in on their progress, small touches create massive loyalty. Another way to keep buyers engaged is to build a natural next step into your offers. Always be thinking, after they achieve this first win with me, what would they logically want next? When your brand provides a clear path for continued growth, people stay close because they don't want to lose momentum. And most importantly, honor the relationship, not just the revenue. Treat your clients like partners, not transactions. Celebrate their wins. Acknowledge their loyalty. Be a brand that makes them feel recognized, valued, and respected, not just sold to. Final tip: getting the first sale is easy compared to building lifetime loyalty. Focus on relationship building after the first payment, and you'll create a business where buyers don't just come back, they bring others with them. Fourth, reward loyalty intentionally. Whether it's surprise bonuses, referral gifts, early access, or exclusive invites, rewarding clients who advocate for you strengthens the emotional and energetic tie they have to your brand. It shows them you don't just notice, you appreciate and honor their support. Final tip: your clients don't become your sales team because you ask them to. They become your sales team because you've made such an impact that sharing your brand feels like a reflection of their own success. Serve first, celebrate often, and watch them become your greatest marketing power.